This is one of my all-time favorite tools. It's called a Knipex pliers wrench. It's an adjustable wrench. This is the 7-inch. Use it like a crescent. It's got a lot of different specific positions to let you get a good, or the correct size you need for whatever fastener, bolt, nut, whatever you're doing. But really what separates this from a crescent and makes it so much better is when you squeeze the handles, the jaws actually close, and that allows you to get that crazy grip strength or torque that bites down on the bolt or fastener. And that's really what allows you to break through rusted screws, bolts, fasteners, and whatnot, and it helps prevent you from actually breaking stuff, breaking bolts in half and whatnot. But you can also use these kind of like channel locks I found, or pliers. Have a lot of good uses. But I'll put a link down in the description where to get those and all.